to another video from Q11of Solutions. You're currently watching these support videos which are taking you through the British International Distance College Mathematics module assignment. We've been covering the different questions from assignment number 2 in order to help you with the actual workings in order to get to the correct answer. Please visit our website for more content and resources to help you, and follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and keep watching the YouTube channel for more supports. We have now completed 10 questions, and we will now be looking at question 11 of assignment number 2. Question 11 states, solve the simultaneous equations. So they've given you another simultaneous equation to do, so let's write down the two equations. 4x plus 5y equals 0, and I've got 8x minus 15y equals 5. Earlier I spoke about substitution as being the best way of approaching the simultaneous equations because you're trying to eliminate one variable by substituting in the other. Here I can see that I've got 4x plus 5y, and I could actually use elimination if I made these two numbers the same in terms of the number of x's or the number of y's. So I'm going to actually take equation number 1 and I'm going to multiply equation number 1 by 2 to make it bigger. So then I'm going to have 8y plus 10y equals 0. Okay, 0 times 2 is always 0. Now I've got this equation, and I've got that equation, and both of those equations have the same number of x's. So I could actually apply elimination now because they are the same, which is what I'm going to do. So just to show you guys another method of solving simultaneous equations, I could use elimination. I'm going to eliminate the one variable from the other, so I'm going to say subtract here, because I'll say 8y minus 8y gives you 0, plus 10y minus a minus. Minus times a minus becomes a plus, so I'm going to have plus 25y equal to 0 minus 5 is minus 5. So here I've got 25y equals minus 5, so y would equal minus 5 over 25, which is the same as minus 1 over 5. So minus 1 over 5 is the value for y. How do I get x? All I need to do now is take the answer that I've calculated, which is that, and that's for y, and substitute that into one of the equations. I'm going to insert it into that equation. Okay, so I'm going to record 4x plus 5y equals 0. So then I'm going to have 4x plus 5 times y, which is minus 1 over 5, equals 0. Then I'll have 4x plus 1 over 5, well, minus 1 over 5 times 5, so I can cancel the 5's. I'm going to be left with minus 1 equals 0. So x equals 1, x equals 1 over 4. So x would be a quarter. X would be a quarter, and y would be a negative 1/5, and that will give you 0 in that scenario. Question 11 said, solve the simultaneous equations. Have we solved? Yes, we have. I found the y, which was 1 minus 1 over 5, and I now have found the x, which is 1 over 4. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, and we'll keep creating more videos to help you.